Indulge in the perfect cup of rich, full-flavored coffee or savor delightful Coffeehouse beverages right at home with the dark charcoal Keurig K-Cafe single-serve coffee, latte, and cappuccino maker. Whether you're in the mood for a classic cup of coffee or craving a creamy latte or frothy cappuccino, the K-Cafe Brewer has you covered. Its versatility allows you to use any K-cup pod, so the possibilities are endless, making your mornings and coffee breaks more exciting than ever. With the coffee shot feature, you can brew a concentrated shot of coffee from your favorite K-cup pod, setting the foundation for deliciously hot or refreshing iced lattes and cappuccinos. The magic happens with the Dishwasher-Safe frother that easily froths your choice of fresh milk, be it skim, soy, or almond, adding the perfect creamy touch to your specialty beverages. The frother also features a cold setting for cold frothed milk, ideal for creating delightful iced lattes or cappuccinos on hot days. Brewing your favorite coffeehouse beverages is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, simply brew a coffee shot using any K-cup pod of your liking. Second, froth your desired fresh milk in the Dishwasher-Safe frother. Finally, enjoy your masterpiece, a creamy latte or a frothy cappuccino that rivals those from your favorite coffee shop. Say goodbye to long queues and pricey drinks. Now you can be your own barista and enjoy these delightful beverages in the comfort of your home. The Keurig K-Cafe coffee maker comes with a dishwasher-safe frother, ensuring easy cleanup after your coffee creations. No more worrying about the hassle of cleaning up complicated machines. Now, you can focus on the pure enjoyment of your favorite drinks. The K-Cafe Brewer offers more than just lattes and cappuccinos. With the strong brew option, you can increase the strength and boldness of your regular coffee, tailoring your brew to your exact taste preferences. Whether you prefer a strong kick to start your day or a milder cup to savor, the K-Cafe delivers. Customize your cup size with the simple button controls that offer 4 convenient options: 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounces. Enjoying the perfect cup of coffee has never been easier. Just insert any K-cup pod, choose your desired cup size, and let the Keurig K-Cafe work its magic. Designed with practicality in mind, the K-Cafe boasts a large 60 ounces water reservoir that allows you to brew up to 6 cups before needing to refill. Simplify your morning routine and save time with this thoughtful feature. Plus, the removable reservoir makes refilling a breeze, ensuring you're always ready for that perfect cup. The Smart Start feature adds to the convenience of the K-Cafe. Your coffee maker heats up and brews in one seamless process, eliminating the need to wait for it to heat before selecting your cup size. And with the programmable auto-off feature, you can rest assured that your brewer will automatically turn off after 2 hours of inactivity, saving energy and promoting eco-friendly practices. Travel mug lovers rejoice. The K-Cafe is travel mug friendly, accommodating mugs up to 7.2 inches tall, making it an excellent companion for busy mornings on the go. And when it's time for cleanup, rest easy knowing that the K-Cafe's frother is top-rack dishwasher safe, ensuring effortless cleanup and maintenance. Are you looking to brew your own ground coffee? The Keurig K-Cafe has you covered with its compatibility with the My K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee Filter. Now you can enjoy your favorite ground coffee in addition to the wide variety of K-Cup pods available. Elevate your coffee experience with the Keurig K-Cafe single-serve coffee, latte, and cappuccino maker. Embrace the convenience, versatility, and superior taste this innovative machine brings to your daily coffee routine. Start your mornings with the perfect cup of coffee or indulge in delightful lattes and cappuccinos. The possibilities are endless with the Keurig K-Cafe.